Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Coming in this nice Velocity blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Outer Banks Tech Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, you got a backup camera, we do get a nice lift glass as well, which allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can leave it open for extra air, totally up to you. We got roof rails, mud flaps on the rear and the front with a side view camera, blind spot detection. You do get remote start with this vehicle as well. Front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see here we do have plenty of cargo space. You got cargo cubbies, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You can put a cargo protector on the back here. You do get a light for your lift gate as well, a 12-volt, and you do get your storage underneath as well, which is pretty nice, and you get a split folding rear seat where you can fold either door or both for more storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and brown vinyl interior with some brown cloth accents. Got rear cargo mats with the Bronco logo, USB-Cs, rear vents, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same interior we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional Bronco logo. Plenty of door space, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 18 kilometers. We do have this leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle view screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. And look at this, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, Bronco information, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, goat modes, cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. Got that center console with tons of storage. You do get a little storage cubby here as well as on the other side. Engine start, auto stop, auto start, max temp, hazards, traction, parking brake, and your 360 view of the vehicle. You got your volume right there, storage in the glove compartment, and above me we do have our features for a garage door transmitter. We got storage up here as well with 2 USB-Cs, that B&O Sound System, and looking here we got a 13.2-inch touchscreen, all your climate controls at the bottom with dual climate. You got your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and you do get navigation, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. And for your audio, for your navigation it looks like this, and you can go for different widgets on the side. And for your audio now, we do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your settings for the vehicle, just your basic vehicle settings, all that jazz. Features of the vehicle, such as your towing, driving assist, owner's manual, and any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RE41038, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.